Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mugisha. Welcome if you're new here. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're going to be doing a Romwe try-on haul. I'll be showing you guys some stuff that I got about a month ago. I got mostly some tops and also some accessories, but for this video I'm going to focus on the tops that I got just because it would be too long if I went ahead and did everything all together. So I'm going to do a part 1 and a part 2. So part 1 will be the tops that I got, and then part 2 will be the accessories I got. So stay tuned. Alright y'all, so this is the first item that I got and I am absolutely in love with this. It is so adorable to me. It's just a baby girl top and I'm not sure how it's showing up on camera. It's like a pale pink. I feel like it's very chill and relaxed. It's not too thick. Like I can definitely wear it in the summertime, and of course it's a tank top, so perfect. I don't think I'll get too hot with this because there's times where I wear tank tops and it'll be kind of itchy, a little too hot, and it's not too good with the summer sun. But I think this will be absolutely perfect, and I can dress this up, dress it down. I honestly really like this, so I'll put everything down below in the description box, and I'll link all the items that I got. Oh, by the way, I got this in a medium and it fits perfectly. Like I don't feel like it's too tight. It fits my bottom area pretty well because it is a bodysuit. I'm not sure if I said that, but it feels really good. I paired it with some ripped jeans. I'm not really sure if you can see any other but this, but tell me guys how you guys like this. I'm gonna give this a rating of I give this a 9 out of 10. I think it's really cute. I'm just missing a little something, but I think this is definitely a 9 out of 10. So this next item that I got is this black bodysuit that says C'est la vie. I wanted a lot of basic tops in my inventory. I have a lot of prints and I was over that. So I just wanted to get a lot of solid colors. And I absolutely adore this outfit. I paired it with some white jeans that I got from Fashion Nova. And I got the bodysuit in a medium. It honestly fits so perfectly. I don't feel restricted whatsoever. And it's a very light material and it's quite stretchy. So I honestly will give this a 10 out of 10. I really like this as well, just like the last one. I believe I gave that an 8 out of 10, but I love this. This is so adorable, guys. Like, wow. So you guys already know I love the last bodysuit, so I had to get it in another color. I got it in red this time. This is also in a medium. The only difference is that this is in red, as well as the fact that it has spaghetti straps. It also says C'est la vie Paris. I just love the way these fit, and I think it's so beautiful. Like this, red just looks good on my skin. Like this just looks outrageous. It's just complimenting my melanin. I look good, guys. Like I look amazing. Like scratch good. I look amazing. Wow. I got a little too excited with this outfit. I forgot to tell you guys the details, but I got this in a medium just like the last one, and the back is like a square lining versus a scoop, and I absolutely love that, and it's great for the summertime because I will definitely not get too hot in this. The material is very light, very form-fitting, not too tight to where I feel restricted at all, just like the other one. It's definitely the same material, and I'll definitely like link that below. But I actually really love this, and I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10, just like the other one, definitely. So on to the next. Alright guys, so this is the next bodysuit that I got in this haul. I definitely got a lot of bodysuits, so bear with me. There's a few more left, but this is just like the C'est la vie one. It fits exactly the same. I absolutely adore this just as much. I'd give this a rating of a 10 out of 10, maybe a 9.5. Because it's basic, it's not too, there's nothing too special about this, you know what I mean? The other one stands out because of the print that it has. This one is cute just because of the versatility that I can bring with it. You know, I can go ahead and dress it up, dress it down. I can wear it with some like different colored jeans, make it a cute fit. I actually really like this. I just like how it fits. And the back, I guess you could say, fits almost like a halter top. And then the front has a scoop, so I'm not sure what you would call this type of look exactly, but I'm really liking this. And yeah, so I'd give it a 9.5, definitely. The next bodysuit that I got is this white halter top bodysuit, and it has a crisscross accent in the back. This is so gorgeous to me. I would give this a 10 out of 10, 100%, guys. A 10 out of 10. This is so cute, so gorgeous, so marvelous, guys. I just love the way it hugs my body. The material is very stretchy. I do recommend that you guys wear nipple covers. You don't have to wear a bra with this, honestly. I don't have any issues with that, but I definitely would say wear nipple covers because it's sheer enough to where your nipples will be showing. So I would suggest wearing those. But other than that, I would give this a 10 out of 10. I think it's really cute, and yeah, tell me what you guys think about this one. This is probably one of my favorites. Definitely, I would add this to one of my favorites. The next bodysuit that I got is this black and white halter top. I honestly think this is so cute. And just like the other bodysuits, as I've stated, all of them, you can pretty much dress them up, dress them down, however you see fit. This is honestly so adorable. I got this in a medium as well. It's very breathable. And the ones that are, the bodysuits that are black, I definitely feel like I'll get a little bit hot just because of the colors. And it scoops in the back just like the other one, not too much. And then it scoops up in the front. Definitely does a little bit more than the other one. The other one's a bit more basic. This one is just a little bit of a flare to give it a little bit of that pizzazz. I really like this one. I can definitely dress this up, dress this down, however I see fit. And I honestly think it's so cute. Yes, I definitely would give this a 10 out of 10. I just like this detailing that it has. It doesn't add too much to it. It's not too gaudy, and I feel like it gives it just that perfect accent. So yeah, on to the next bodysuit. I promise it's the last one. Alright, so this is the last bodysuit that I got for this haul. I think this is really cute. Gives me 90s vibes as well. I really like that aesthetic, the 90s aesthetic. So I'm really liking this, very retro chic. It's also a halter top, and it zips up, and it has a little ring zipper. So I really like that little accent that they added onto it. And I'll definitely give this a 9.5. It fits really well. I just don't like how these little things flare up on the side. That's the only reason why I'm giving it a 9.5. If it wasn't for that, I'd probably give it a 10 out of 10. So yeah, on to the next. So the next top that I got is this pastel purple top. I absolutely adore this. I have some heels that would go really well with this, and I'm gonna pair them together probably with some white jeans. I think this would go really well together, and I would give this a rating of 9 out of 10. I love the vibe that it's giving me. It feels like a very much a 90s vibe. I'm loving this, guys. Tell me it's not cute down below in the comments. Like, ooh. I can't stop feeling myself with this. I like how this looks, you know, and I'll pair it with these heels. These heels would go really nice. Like, yeah, I needed some purple in my wardrobe. I don't know what it's been, but I've recently been liking purple a lot. And it looks really good on my skin. And this is probably like the only like purple item I truly have, but wow. I should get more purple. Tell me now. The next top that I got is this olive green top. I really don't know how to feel about this. I don't mind it, but something about it kind of bothers me. I think it's just the accent in the front. It kind of fits a little weird. Just the way it comes in on the sides. It's kind of ill-fitting at the bottom. It gives me this little, I don't know, flap. And I don't like that flap. I'd rather it like fit tight. If it's gonna be a crop, or just be a long shirt. But I would give this a 6 out of 10. It's not horrible. This is not the best for the summertime because I'm definitely getting hot in this, and I've only been wearing it for a few minutes. And so I definitely would wait till the fall to wear this when it's a little chilly, because this is burning me up already. This is definitely not for the summertime. It's not very breathable. It's definitely cotton material from what I'm feeling. But yeah, I like this, but definitely a 6 out of 10. It's not the best out of the haul. So next. Okay, so the next top that I got is this crop pastel blue top. I think this is so adorable. It's called the milkmaid top, I believe, just because you see the little frills in the front. It gives me Dutch maid vibes, but I think it's honestly so cute. But I would give this a rating of an 8.5. I would just give it an 8.5 because I wish I sized up a little more. I did get a large in this just because I wanted to fall a little lower, but it's kind of tight in the arms, not as much room as I would like. But other than that, it's still really cute for the style itself. I honestly love it. I would give the style itself a 10 out of 10, but just because of how it fits me, and it's just, I would give it an 8.5. I just wish it fit a little better. It's not like I can't move around in it. I can definitely move. I just wish it didn't look so tight on my arms, but it's not a huge deal. Like, you know, I'm not really worried about it like that. It's still a really cute fit, and I can still do so much with this. So the next top that I got in this haul is this cropped Henley top. I really like this because it's not too short. It fits right over my belly button. It doesn't show too much. I can wear some nice high-waisted jeans and I won't feel too exposed. I could wear this anywhere, dress it up, dress it down, however I see fit, with as most of the clothes in the haul are. I really love this, especially the detailing that's at the top. It has fake buttons because it doesn't have any like part where you could attach them together, so you still have that nice V scoop, and I love that it doesn't show too much. And I just love Henley tops in general. I just love that aesthetic that they give, and I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I honestly love this top, so yeah. Alright, so this top in the haul is very similar to the Henley top that I just showed you guys, the one that was in black with the fake detailing on the side. I really like this just because it's very modest. It has that scoop, but it doesn't go down too low, so I can definitely wear this anywhere. It's a lot longer than the last one I showed you guys. It's able to be tucked in a lot further. But I really like this. I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10. I just really like this material. It's very breathable, and because it's white, it wouldn't really have it. I won't have an issue with it when it comes to overheating. So yeah, so definitely a 10 out of 10 for this one as well. So the next top that I got is also another white top, and with this one, it is a drawstring top, so you can wear it either like this, or you can crop it even more and pull up the drawstring just to show a little bit more stomach. I'd probably wear it like this, and if I wanted, I can go ahead and tie these little strings at the bottom like so, or even if I didn't want the strings to be showing, I can always tuck them in the back. I'll show you this. This is how it looks when it's tucked. So you can wear it this way as well if you don't like the little pieces that are dangling. And I would give this top a 10 out of 10. It's really versatile, being that it's a white top as well as a little drawstring that it adds, and also the fact that you can go ahead and crop it even more. So this next top that I got is something that's a little different. I've been seeing this a lot on Instagram. It's been trending lately, and I think it's so cute. I've seen dresses like this as well, a lot of tops. Just, I'm loving this vibe. I love the aesthetic. But yeah, I'll definitely give this a 10 out of 10. Maybe a 9.5 out of 10, just because you can't really wear this everywhere, especially since it's a crop top. If it was a little longer, definitely I'll give it a 10 out of 10 because I can wear it to more places. But I can definitely find ways to dress this up, and I think this is honestly so beautiful. I love the detailing, lettuce detailing that it has. Let me show you guys. And this is what it's looking like. So yeah. Alright, so the next top that I got is this wrap top with some detailed sleeves. I absolutely love the pattern as well as the detail. I'm kind of disappointed as to how it fits. I wanted it to be a little longer over here. I got in a large. I wanted the arms to be a little more flowy. The bottom are as flowy as I like it, but I want the top to be a little looser. I'll definitely give this a 10 out of 10 for the style, but for the way it fits, I'll give it a 8 out of 10, or maybe even a 7 out of 10. A 7 out of 10, just because of how it fits. I'm gonna insert a picture of the model. You guys are gonna see why I'm giving it a 7 out of 10. It didn't fit me how I expected it to fit. I still love the pattern, but they high-key played me with this. I don't know, you might not agree. I don't know, I feel like it looks better on camera. It's picking up a lot better on camera, but when I have my mirror here and I'm looking, I don't know. I'd probably save this for like maybe a beach day, because I can definitely wear this on top of my bathing suit, you know, keep it cute and classy while I'm at the beach. But other than that, I don't see me really wearing this out. It's still really cute. I just wish it fit how I expected it to fit. Then it would have definitely been a 10 out of 10. But on to the next one. Alright guys, so this is the very last top that I got. It's another wrap top. It doesn't fit how the picture showed whatsoever. It's still pretty cute. I can still do something with it. It's not a total loss, but I'm gonna have to give this a 5 out of 10 just because I feel like it's kind of ill-fitting. This probably have to be another beach day type of top. I don't see myself wearing this with anything. It looks a little better on camera, but in this mirror it's not it at all. So I'm definitely giving it a 5 out of 10. The design itself, the pattern and everything, and the idea that I had for it would definitely be a 10 out of 10. But other than that, it's not my cup of tea. But yeah. I almost forgot that I got a skirt in this haul. I got myself a little plaid skirt. I'm really loving the design. That's why I got it, of course. But I wish I had sized down a little bit. I got an XL. Should have gotten a large. I was worried about it not fitting my hips just because y'all girl got hips, but it's still really cute, and I would probably pair with something white like this. I have a lot of white tees now, so I have so much to pair it with, but I truly love this. So I'd give the skirt a 8 out of 10. If it fit me just right, then I would have given it a 10 out of 10. But other than that, it's really good material, very breathable, very stretchy. I'm able to move around in it with no issues. I don't feel constrained at all. So I definitely would recommend this skirt. And that is the very last item in this haul. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you stuck till the end, please give me a rating on each of the outfits that you guys saw. Let me know what you feel about them. Give me a rating on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being you really liked it, 1 being that was trash, never wear this again. But guys, I love filming this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. It helps me so much, and please come back for the next video. Bye guys.